What is a proxy server and do you need one? A proxy server is an easy and secure way to protect your identity online, but is it better than a VPN? We explain how proxy work and whether you should be using one. We write a lot about internet and personal device security here at PCMG, including tools to properly already know about and maybe use like antivirus software and VPNs, but there are lesser no methods of protection out there that you should know about, including proxy several. We are here to tell you what proxy server are, how they work, and why you might want to use one. A proxy server is just what it sounds like. At its most basic, it is a server that sits between you and the rest of the internet, acting as a proxy for your traffic. Without a proxy, your computer or mobile device requests traffic from the web directory as it would on a standard connection. Adding a proxy server routers your request and the output of the website or service you are connecting to through an external server. First, it adds one degrees of separation between you and the site or service you want to connect with. Say, for example, that you want to search for something on Google on a non-proxied connection. You PC would make a data request directly a Google server, and Google server would then send the data back to your PC. When connecting via proxy server, that request is passed through an external server and sent to Google. From there, the request information is sent back through the proxy and finally to your PC. This added layer of traffic routing is used for a variety of reasons, including protecting your security and anonymity and spoofing your location to get access to view restricted content on the web. All through their approach to traffic routing may sound simply, proxy can be complex. There are several different types of proxy using a variety of internet protocols to transfer information. This is the most common type of proxy. Forward proxy servers work as we described above. You information request is forwarded to the proxy server, passed through a firewall and sent to the intended domain. The send the information back to the proxy, which hands that data off to your device. Sometimes the proxy server may already have the requested information cached in its database. If so, the request would not be forwarded to the domain, but the proxy server will deliver the data to your device directly from its own server. Instead, this can reduce to request and data transfer times and add another layer of to your browsing experience, since your IP address is never exposed to the web domain you are trying to connect to. A reverse proxy server, sometimes called a proxy, works in the opposite direction as a forward proxy. Instead of a user requesting data from the internet, a server proxy passes request from the internet to user in an internal network.